Well, it's on the last layer now of the 3D print. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening. So the weather today's been pretty cloudy. We had a few short spells of sun, which did help a bit. Boosted it up to about 600 watts, 2 panels. So about 6 o'clock in the evening it's decided to break a little bit. But it's too late really. As you can see, the 21-hour 3D print has finished. It says on the information 21 hours and 8 minutes. So there's a little bit of warping down below, but that's not going to be a problem. So it'll be interesting to see how well it has been stuck down. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's turned out good. So it's been printed this way because I put an angle in there. I didn't need supports. So it's going to go this way. So this is how the MC4 solar panel cables come through the wall. So there's a hole being drilled, and because the outside is tiles, I have to use the EcoFlow flat, super flat cable. If I was just to use the solar cable, it's just not flexible enough, so the tile would not go back. This one here is actually a 1 meter flat cable, but I'm not 100% sure about the quality of this. The EcoFlow 50 centimeter cables are definitely better quality and quite expensive, so I've just settled with them. So as you can see, these stick out quite a bit. So this is going to be drilled into the wall, and the holes there, the actual cable is going to go into breaker switches, 3 breaker switches, which are going to be mounted up here. So it's looking good at the moment. So at the end of the day, I noticed that the charge did dip to about 28% earlier on in the morning, but then it was starting to get charged, and it's now charged to 54% of battery, and there's still a tiny little bit of solar going in. So the Delta 2 Max did the job.